Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the balance sheet in Tally Prime 4.0. So on the gateway of Tally, just press B from your keyboard or select here balance sheet report from the gateway of Tally. You will find the balance sheet for the particular date. If you want to change the date, then here the F2 period is appearing. Just change the period and select the period as per your requirement. You will find the balance sheet as on the selected date. Here the liabilities, here the asset, and here the figures is appearing in front of each liability as well as the asset. Now suppose if you want to see these figures in 100, then what you have to do? You have to go to the basis of value option. Here there is the scale factor option is appearing. Just select 100, lakhs, thousand, whatever you want. Suppose I am selecting 100 and press Ctrl plus A. I will get the figures in 100. Suppose I want to have the monthly balance sheet. Then what I have to do? I have to press Alt plus N from my keyboard. Here there is the option for monthly, quarterly, weekly, yearly. Suppose I select the monthly, I will get my monthly balance sheet. Now, suppose I want to have the vertical balance sheet. Then what I have to do? I have to go to the F12 configure button at the right hand bottom. Just select F12 configure button. Here you have to select the show vertical balance sheet. Yes option and press Ctrl plus A. So your vertical balance sheet will be open. Now suppose if you want the percentage against each group, then what you have to do? Just go to the configure option again. Here show percentage option is coming up. Select yes and press Ctrl plus A. You will get the percentage against each of the group. You have also the option for the change view option, that is if you want to see again instead of vertical, you want to see the horizontal balance sheet, just select the horizontal view. You will get the horizontal balance sheet. Now again go to the configure option, and if you want to see method of showing balance sheet, liability asset instead of asset or liability, means here the liability will be on the left side and asset is on the right side. If you want asset is on the left side and liability on the right side, just click asset or liability option, press Ctrl plus A. You will find that asset is on the left side and liability on the right hand side. So I hope you will understand this. Thank you very much.